Hello guys, Tank here with another video with pack openings of global pattern rewards. Let's get started with 11 global pattern rewards. Haven't been keeping up with the global pattern rewards, so let's just open the first pack. And the first one is going to be a star. Not bad start to the video. Hoping to get at least an icon or a legend on this 11. Down to 10 right now. So back-to-back star cards might help me out with the upgrading my legend cards. And 3 stars in a row. I still have to open the rewards from monthly packs from each week. Hoping to get a massive legend right here, please. And we get Tim Duncan. Alright, we have 7 left. Oh god, it's not looking so great. And we went start from superstar to star again. Alright, please be at least like a icon. Be an icon. And we get superstar. Not bad. I'll take a superstar card. My 5th card. Clyde Drexler. Not bad. I'll take. Fourth pack. And it's a legend. Carmelo Anthony. Let's go. Hit that like button for Carmelo Anthony legend card. I'm grateful I got a legend out of these global rewards. It was nice. Can we get back-to-back legends? And we don't. We got duplicate Brandon Ingram. 2 more. Can the second pack be legend? No, superstar. I'll still take him. And the final global pattern reward of this video is going to be Mark Price. Not bad. Alright, login bonuses. Let's see. You'll just get a random. Just random. Russell Westbrook, not bad. Another star card. Day 21, be an icon. And it's Bill Walton. Got pro card of him already, so might use him on the legend card of Carmelo Anthony. And day 28 is going to be legend Michael Jordan. Let's go. The GOAT of Chicago Bulls. Not bad of a pack. I'll take it. 2 legend cards in this video, and we still got the other ones, the tickets. So we have 4 we could do. Hoping to pack at least one legend out of this pack. And the first one is going to be Fox. Not bad. I don't have his card, so might have a duplicate card sooner or later in the future. Or the second pack. Yes, let's go. Another legend. I think I already have his first duplicate card already, so let's go, man. Can we get the third one? The third one. Could it be a legend? Back-to-back legends. No. Jermaine O'Neal. And the final one is going to be Icon Moses Malone. I already have his card, so I could pro card him. Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos. Hit that like button and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.